Over 2 years R&D to present the FIFISH PRO V6 PLUS. A Pro line ROV has robust design on weather resistance and reliability. It is the top product of V series and specifically developed for marine engineering and underwater operations. FIFISH PRO V6 PLUS. V6 Plus is capable to deal with various marine engineering underwater operation assignments, such as the ship hull inspections, bridge underwater structure inspections, offshore infrastructure inspections, etc. V6 Plus, equipped with the latest Q motor. It builds to withstand the harsh conditions and provide smooth and accurate operating experiences. 150 meters, 492 feet depth rating, and 155.5 watt battery capacity makes the deep water operations easier. Full blast 6,000 lumens LED can illuminate the darkness in deep water. The dual sonar system enables the V6 Plus to avoid collision and distance lock both forward and downward directions. V6 Plus can maintain the altitude even cruising on variety terrain without disturbing the bottom sand. V6 Plus can easily swipe scanning with the active forward distance lock feature. Such features make the ship hull inspection easier than ever. Accurate underwater object measures achieved by the AR scaler and laser scaler. The AR scaler enables the underwater operation measurement fast and simple. The laser scaler, 2 laser dots in picture, can provide good results for accurate engineering analysis. The UQPS, Underwater QYC Positioning System, enable V6 Plus to scanning and positioning the suspicion objects. Even play as the guide for underwater search and rescue missions, providing safe and efficient performances. V6 Plus inherited the omnidirectional capability from V series, and this enables the identical head-up inspection cruising, 90 degrees. This feature, enhanced by 4K UHD resolutions and noise reduction technology on board. The signature VR head tracking control offers immersive underwater operation experiences. The special aluminum alloy hook retrieve the heave objects. Such diverse accessories enable the V6 Plus to handle various underwater missions for your current and upcoming projects. The micro SD card pop-out design make data transfer more direct and faster. Robotic arm reaching the subject below the surface. The Q camera offers extra view angle and lighting at the same time. Water sampler can collect the water from a certain depth and location. V6 Plus, providing the intellectual underwater solutions.